Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to fix Gmail, not receiving emails. If your Gmail app has suddenly stopped getting emails, I'll show you how to troubleshoot it and get it up and running quickly. So let's get started right away. The very first thing you should do is examine your storage because your Gmail account is linked with your other Google services like Google Docs and Google Drive. And if your storage runs out, you won't be able to receive or send emails. To examine your Google account storage, exit out of the Gmail app and go to onegoogle.com. This is where all of your Google services are connected together and where you can view them all. So what you want to do now is tap these three lines on the top right and then go down to storage. This is where it is going to show you all of your available storage. Right now, I am not using any storage from Google. If you are using Google Storage, you can look at how your storage has been distributed. So if that is all the way to the end or nearly full, you can start removing anything from Google Drive, Google Photos, or emails you've already read and received. It really doesn't make a difference what you delete as long as it's not full, or you won't be able to receive or send emails. If you don't really want to delete all that, you can simply buy extra storage by clicking on Plans, which will take you towards this page where you can always go over the various options. So you can have 100 gigabytes for $20 per year, which is a great deal. Or you could just get 200 gigabytes for $30 per year. Choose whichever works best for you. So assuming that isn't the problem, we're going to exit and check some settings in your Gmail app. To do that, open the Gmail app and tap on the three lines in the top left-hand corner. Scroll down and select Settings, then tap on your email address. Scroll down and make sure that Sync Gmail is turned on. If it isn't, simply tap here to turn it on, and then tap here to enable dynamic email. So if it doesn't work, go into your settings, go all the way down to where it says App, select that, and then search for Gmail in the top search bar. Then select that. So once you're here, you'll want to force stop the app. Then go to Storage and clear the app data, which will also remove all of the files associated with the Gmail app. So keep that in mind, and then we'll get out of here. And then you'll want to select permissions and enable all of these. So once that's done, you should be able to receive emails, and everything should be good. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If not, please like and subscribe.